Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the amazing health benefits of oats and how they can positively impact our digestion, cholesterol levels, satiety, gut health, and blood sugar levels. We will also discuss how to incorporate it in our daily routine and breakfast. So stay tuned and watch it till the last. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to make some positive changes in your diet, oats are a great choice. First, let's talk about oats and digestion. Oats are a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in oats can help prevent constipation, reduce bloating, and improve overall gut health. Additionally, the soluble fiber in oats, called beta-glucan, has been shown to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Next, let's talk about oats and cholesterol reduction. Oats contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. This is because beta-glucan binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, making oats an excellent food choice for those looking to maintain a healthy heart. Third, let's talk about oats and satiety. Oats are a great food choice for anyone looking to feel full and satisfied throughout the day. They release energy slowly, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent mid-morning energy crashes. This makes them an ideal food for people with type 2 diabetes, or for those looking to manage their weight, as they can help you feel full for longer and prevent overeating. Fourth, let's talk about oats and gut health. As mentioned earlier, the soluble fiber in oats, beta-glucan, has been shown to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. In addition, oats contain a type of fiber called prebiotic fiber, which helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting overall gut health. Lastly, let's talk about oats and blood sugar levels. The slow-release energy provided by oats can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in blood sugar levels that can occur after meals. This makes oats a great food choice for people with type 2 diabetes, or for anyone looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. So there you have it. Oats are an incredibly nutritious and versatile grain that offer a multitude of health benefits, including improved digestion, reduced cholesterol levels, increased satiety, improved gut health, and stable blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate oats into your breakfast and meal routine. One of the simplest and most popular ways to enjoy oats is as a hot cereal, either on their own or with added fruit and nuts. For example, you can make a delicious bowl of oatmeal by cooking oats with milk or water, and adding your favorite toppings like sliced banana, almonds, and a drizzle of honey. If you're looking for a portable breakfast option, you can try making oatmeal cookies or granola bars with oats as the base ingredient. They're a great way to get your oats fix on the go and make for a delicious and healthy snack. Oats can also be added to smoothies for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Just add a scoop of oats to your favorite smoothie recipe and blend until smooth. You'll love the added texture and flavor, and you'll feel full and satisfied until lunchtime. Finally, oats can be added to savory dishes such as stir-fries, meatloaf, and meatballs to add texture and flavor. They're a great way to add more nutrition to your meals without sacrificing taste. So oats are a delicious and nutritious grain that can be easily incorporated into your breakfast and meal routine, or whether you enjoy them as a hot cereal, baked into oatmeal cookies, or as an ingredient in smoothies. Oats are a great way to start your day and support a healthy diet. So that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.